Hey guys, welcome. This is 2005 Chevy Corvette. So I would like to show you how to remove and replace crankshaft pulleys. Now before I'm going to remove the pulley out, I would like to show you guys what needs to be removed to access to the crankshaft pulley. Okay, so sway bar, remove the sway bar, pushing down and drop it down, and you can see lower shock to the control arm. Remove the nut at the bottom here. Yeah, both side outer tie rod end, both side upper control arm. When you remove the upper control arm, there's a washer behind. This front one it got two washers behind. The rear one got only one washer. That for an alignment. Cradle, front cradle nut, like one on this side and one on this side. Remove the nut out. The tie rod end on this side as well, and upper control arm, shock, lower shock mount, and this bracket for the ABS pump at the top. Remove it out. Power steering coolers that bolt to the subframe here, and the rack and pinion still on the subframe. So on this end I don't have to remove the line, and I only remove the intermediate shaft attached to the steering gear right there. Remove both side right height sensor, the one that screw into the lower control arm. The subframe cradle at the rear, the nut it just loose about halfway, more than halfway, and let it hang there. And yeah, both sides are also the one on this side as well. And engine mount, the stud like stick out, and the nut to remove the nut and support the engine. So we can bring this cradle down or subframe to access to the pulleys right here. Before we load the subframe down, this rack and pinion just right in front of the pulley bolt and very close to the pulleys. So in the manual said we have to remove the rack and pinion out, but I can drop down this far. Now I can get to the bolt, and I can put the pulley to pull, put the puller to pull the pulley out without removing the rack and pinion, and it's enough space. I can remove the pulley out from there. Yeah, so that's how and everything that we need to remove to access to that crankshaft pulley. Oh, then the other thing, there's a tool. We have to remove the starter motor out and install the tool to hold the flywheel. Or on the driver's side near the oil filter, you can see that plastic plate right there. So just remove this cover out, and you can see the flywheel right there. And you can put like a big screwdriver or pry bar, one person to hold the flywheel while you remove the bolt and torque it up after you install the new pulleys. And here are the new bolts for the new pulleys. And apply a little bit of grease to the end of the crankshaft and push the pulley in and turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to make it go in a little bit, and use an old bolt with the old CV axle shaft nut and put it in like that, and tap on the end of the bolt to make the pulley go in a little bit deeper to cut the thread on the new bolt. And from here, after we can take a few turns by hand, and now we can use the ratchet to take the bolt by hand until it stops, and hold the crankshaft pulley right there with the pry bar or screwdriver and 250 foot-pound to torque this pulley bolt, the dampener pulley. And yeah, after we torque it up, I'll put everything back, and should be straightforward from here. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope this video helped what you're looking for.
Thank you.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.